Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Romanovska and I am a certified family law specialist practicing family law in the Bay Area, California. Today, I would like to talk about how to fill out a form called Acknowledgment of Receipt FL-117. Let's get started. All right, first thing what I do is I type in Google FL-117, and the first form that shows up is this form, and I started to fill it out a little bit to save time. So we have petitioner, her name is Maggie Rogers, and she will fill out her information: firm, street, city, state, zip, telephone number, email address. If she has a restraining order, or she doesn't want to share her address, it could be a PO box also. And then in San Francisco, would fill out this box, and depending on the county, you would fill out depending of the address of your county. And then petitioner Maggie is hiring someone other than her over 18 to serve Peter. Instead of in person, it's going to be mailed to Peter, and Peter is agreeing to sign this form. So we have a very amicable case. We will put case number here, and then here we're going to put Peter because Peter is going to be served. And then she asked on, let's say, on the 10th of January of this year to have Sam Miller serve Peter. And then Sam is going to sign here and say, this is what I did. I mailed it to Peter, and I included these forms: petition, summons, and blank response. And if they have children, included this form, FL-105. And then Peter has 20 days, as you can see and read here in the notice. Peter has 20 days to sign. And then let's say if it was mailed on the 10th and he received it on the 15th and he decided to sign it on the 19th, then Peter would put his name right here and sign and mail it to Maggie and file it with the court. That's it for this form. This is how you fill it out, and I hope that was helpful. If you like the video, click like. If you want to subscribe to see more videos how to fill out forms and educational videos about family law. And I will see you soon. Bye.